Hey everyone, Michael Cavardia here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about something that I learned from the art of war called understanding your battlefield. Now in the art of war there is this Chinese master, right, who teaches the art of war, teaches the art of understanding your battlefield, because if you don't understand the battlefield, how exactly are you supposed to go into war and win? Right? Because that's what it is at the end of the day. It's about winning. But how can you win? As he mentioned, every single battle is won before the actual fight. In order to be able to do that, you have to understand your battlefield. Now you might be thinking, how does a battlefield pertain to business? And this is how it does, right? So most fitness coaches, most fitness professionals, yoga instructors, whoever you might be in the fitness industry, think about marketing their businesses. But marketing the business is just the tip of the iceberg. It's just the pinnacle right at the tip. But if you don't understand how to market, how exactly are you able to do that? Here's the perfect scenario. You might be short of clients at the moment, so you're looking for the perfect strategies to market your business. Let's just say, for example, in the next 2 or 3 weeks, you're able to get 5 to 6 clients and your calendar is full again. So instead of learning more about marketing, you stop marketing in the hopes that when you do need more clients, then you'll start marketing again. But this is a flawed approach. Think about Nike, right? Think about them hitting their monthly or quarterly revenue targets, and just because they hit the target, they stop their marketing, right? How is anyone supposed to ever know about the new products that they launch? How is anyone ever supposed to know about the news that's going on? Or how is anyone ever supposed to know about the new athletes that they are sponsoring? It doesn't make any sense at all. Before you even get into marketing, you have to understand the platform. You have to understand business intricately as well as intimately. Before you learn how to market, you need to understand which platform you want to use, be it Google ads, Facebook ads, Snapchat, LinkedIn, whatever ad service you decide to actually use, you need to find out why you want to use that service and how it's going to help you reach your intended audience. But even then, let's just say, for example, you do understand the platform intimately, right? And you understand every intricate detail about how it works. What's going to happen when you have an influx of clients? How is your business able to handle that? Then you have another problem. Time versus scaling, right? You can't scale your business because you're running out of time to deal with the people that you have. So now you need to go ahead and learn about automations. How do you automate the entire process? The client acquisition, the following up with the clients, the emailing about new products or services that you might have. You automate the entire process. But even if you have the automations and the marketing right, then you have to dive into payments. We live in a digital age. How do you accept credit cards? What payment processes do you use depending on which country you live in? All these things contribute to having a successful business, which contribute to having a successful marketing campaign at the end of the day. Because when people come through to Project X, right, which is the flagship project of My Fitness Brain, we never teach marketing first, regardless of how desperate people are to actually get their clients. We first teach them how to set up and understand the battlefield. Because in the true saying, the art of war, every battle is won before the actual fight even commences, right? But in order to be able to do that, you have to understand your battlefield. You have to understand who you're marketing to, which is your audience, right? We have to break that audience down into a niche. Who exactly in that niche are we speaking to? So once we understand that, we need to set up the systems in place. We speak about landing pages. We speak about the converting copy. What do you say that gets people coming through to your landing page or your website and turning into a lead or a high-paying client, right? These things are things that you need to think about, and the only way you think about that is when you understand the battlefield. Now, as I've mentioned, you probably have a shortage of clients at the moment, or you would like more clients, so you think short term. And that's exactly what debt is, right? Foregoing what you could get for the future for today. So basically what that means is doing something today at the cost of tomorrow, thinking short term instead of long term. Any business that can not think long-term is going to fail, because business is a long-term game. That's all that business is. A sustained effort over a long period of time brings amazing results in business. But in order to achieve that, in order to go through that long-term game, you have to understand the battlefield. You have to understand that just because you have a lack of clients today, or you have a lack of income today and you would like more income, you don't do what you need to do today and just focus on today. You need to think about the future as well. About marketing, right? If I were to give you 5 clients right now, you would probably be okay. You would stop learning marketing. You wouldn't even go further into the process and understand how to generate clients whenever you want them on a daily basis, 24/7, 365 days of the year. Believe me, most people would do this, right? Because it's like giving a man a fish. He's not going to learn how to fish if you continuously give him a fish every day or every time he's hungry, which means the moment you stop giving him a fish, he's never going to know how to fish for himself. And that's the exact same approach when it comes to marketing your fitness business. At the end of the day, if you're just focusing on the marketing, you're not understanding your battlefield and you're not understanding your business model at all. Because look at where we are. We are in the age of great information and great technology. People consume information on their mobile devices, on their laptops, right? People consume information at any place around the entire world. Like me, for example, filming this video right now. I'm sitting right in front of my pool in my villa and I'm bringing information to you, right? Never before in history was something like this possible. So if you don't know how to put the right message in front of the right person at the right point in time, how exactly are you expecting to attract more clients to your business? But as I'm mentioning, marketing and putting the right message in front of the right person at the right point in time is just the tip of the iceberg. You have to understand the model of business extremely well in order to be able to win at business. In order to be able to have that long-term sustained success, you have to understand the battlefield before you actually start doing business, right? You have to understand what is needed for you in order to be able to succeed. But far too many times we see this biggest mistake happen over and over again. Most fitness professionals that we speak to, right, focus on their skill set. They focus on learning more on how to deliver their service. So if you're a personal trainer, for example, you could focus more on rehabilitation training, and then you could focus more on sports conditioning, and you could continuously better your skill at the end of the day, which is fine, provided you know how to get clients. But if you continuously improve on your skill set, which means delivering the best service possible to people, and you continuously develop the knowledge that you have on that factor of your business, that's perfectly fine. But how exactly are you going to practice what you preach or practice what you've learned if you do not know how to market your business, how to run your business, how to automate your business, and how to generate a torrential downpour of clients to your business at any given point in time? Because as I'm saying, business is more than just marketing. Business is more than just sales. There's so much that goes into a business to have it fully functional and operational. And in order to be successful, you have to understand the intricate and intimate details of the battlefield before you actually start doing any war or any battle, right? Or any business at all, because that's the only way you are going to win. So right now, I'm going to offer you a chance to actually understand and learn the battlefield, to understand and learn how to market, to understand and learn how to build an online business from scratch or from the ground up, right? A successful business that is going to be long-term and sustainable, which is able to stand the ultimate test of time. All you need to do is click on the link in the description, and my team and I will teach you the exact steps needed in order for you to be able to do this. We'll give you a blueprint so that you can understand every intimate and intricate detail of the battlefield, and all you'll need to do is execute, take action, and you will be successful. Because every battle is won before it's even started. So, are you ready to do business? Are you ready to become a titan? And are you ready to succeed? If so, then just go ahead and click on the link in the description and we will get you sorted. Like, subscribe, comment, and share this video if you've enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys next week.